Hello everybody, how are you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to GIJO Gadgets, our YouTube channel. So today I'll be unboxing is a piano. Actually not piano, it's a mini keyboard. Let me show you my table here. Okay, as you can see, okay, 61 keyboard. Okay, 61 key I mean, okay. Alright, so before I unbox, please remember to click on our subscribe our channel and also click on the bell notification for the future video. Thank you. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is it. Not big, not small. Okay, I actually ordered this for my daughter. Okay, anyway, I myself love music instrument. I play guitar, drum, okay, and then my son also play guitar. Okay, so I just unboxed this. Let me show you my table. Okay. Okay. I got this from Shopee internet. Right. So hope she's like it. Just consider a toy grade. Okay. So this is consider a toy grade keyboard. Okay. It came with a microphone. Right. So got 61 keys, 6 demo songs, 16 tones. Okay. And okay. Black and use 4 pieces of AA 1.5V battery. Okay. So let's open up and give a try. Okay. Anything else inside the box? Okay, no more. Okay, the packing seems good. Good. Come with a plastic wrap wrapper. Okay, and okay, this is the microphone. So it came with a manual, but it's in Chinese. Okay, not only in Chinese, in English also. Okay, so you can see the letter is in English, quite small. All right. So this is the microphone came together. This provided. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay. Okay, this is the power. Can get it from USB, and this is microphone. Right. Okay. Wow, can get from USB. That's great. All right. So I want to try get the power from the USB first. Okay. Hold on. Let me connect to my USB port. Okay, so let's try and power up. Okay, now where's the on off? Okay, it's on. Nope, it's not been, cannot be powered up through USB. There's something wrong with this. Oh, okay, it's on already. It's on already. Okay, I think I lost my signal on the other camera. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay. All right. So that's it. So what do we have here? We have rhythm combination. Okay, that's the demo. So now I want to plug this microphone and try. So there's a port here for microphone. Okay, so hello, testing, testing. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, okay, can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3, test, test, test. Hello, hello. Okay. So we have a microphone here as well. So, okay. We have a drum also, drum combination. Okay, this is a hi-hat. So that's the drum. Okay, so we have fill in also. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Pretty simple. Very light. Okay. So I think that's about it. I show you with a clearer video. Okay. So it's very light. Just a small one. Sound check. Okay. All right. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.